Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today, I'll show you the fastest way to open File Explorer using a simple shortcut. Let's get started. Quick shortcut to open File Explorer. To open File Explorer instantly, just press Windows E. This will launch File Explorer, giving you quick access to your files, drives, and folders. Why use this shortcut? Saves time instead of clicking through menus. Instantly opens File Explorer no matter what you're doing. Great for multitasking and file management. Alternative method: if your keyboard isn't working or you prefer a different way, you can also open File Explorer by pressing Windows R, typing Explorer, and hitting Enter. And that's it. Now you can open File Explorer in seconds. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.